Hello, my shining stars. This is Emma, and you are back here on my YouTube channel. I'm really happy to see you here. I'm also really happy to be trading on Pocket Option and sharing every step of this fascinating journey with you. So I cannot wait to explore what lies ahead, and let's jump right in. All right. Let me just see what's been happening here with this asset pair. And I'm gonna leave some money for the insurance, so $90 to start with. And I think we might need something else here. Okay, here we go. Let me just place it properly. Guys, you see I drew the rectangle range to see what's happening with the price, and the price is moving within a wide sideways channel, and currently it is in the upper, which means longevity zone of the channel, and I am expecting a breakout above the resistance at the fractal level. So I'm gonna go ahead and open a call option because I think we have a great potential here for it to move up. Darlings, and if you want to build consistent results and learn how trading actually works, I got you covered in my TG channel. The link to it is right below this video, and trust me, everything you couldn't understand is explained in great detail and the simple language right there. So go check it out and join me. Ooh, and the first result has arrived, $172. Amazing start, simply amazing. Great first step. Yeah, I think it should. $130 for the next beat. And look, price bounced strongly off the support. 80x is about to give us a buy signal, and the price is nearing a break above the channel midpoint. I'm gonna enter a call, and I can definitely see it rising. Was having about 2 cups of coffee today in the morning, and I feel like my heart is skipping the beat. I should definitely cut down on coffee. I'm drinking way too much, and caffeine is dangerous sometimes. Ooh, dangerously great profit, $249. $250, I'm gonna round it up, and that feels good. Well, slightly increasing the bid to $160. And look, guys, after consolidation, which means the market was flat, the price is beginning to drop. 80x gives us a strong sell signal, and the price is breaking below the fractal support. So it is time to go for a put option, and it is time to go down. And look at this red candles. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop. I should drop my coffee dosage, definitely. I know how healthy it is to completely give up on it, but I'm just not at that stage yet. Like I've had some pauses. Ooh, $307. Amazing. That is just fabulous. And let's place $180 for this next one. What I'm seeing here, whoa. The price rejected from the upper boundary at 0.58, and there is a very strong seller present. The price cut through the channel midpoint, and the oscillator confirms bearishness. I'm gonna quickly enter a put option because we still have time to go down, and I'm not gonna miss on this opportunity. Guys, and if you wanna take the opportunities given to you and learn profitable strategies and grow your trading account, one thing I can recommend you to do is to join my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video. And honestly, everything I know and learn about trading, because I still learn, it's never-ending process, I share there with you. And look at my profits, $349.50. Amazing. Great profits, great strategies. Well, the opposite. Great strategies and great profits. That's the right order of things. Okay, we gotta stay focused here. And we gotta add something right here. Okay, and $350 is my next bid. I know it's solid. And guys, you can see that I drew a resistance level based on fractals and the candle highs. There is a heavy selling pressure and the price bounces down from the resistance area. Well, my plan is to work from the short side here. And that is time for a put option. Time to sell, time to go down. Let's do it. Guys, I've had this discussion with my friends and, well, it's like a holy war because some people think it is a real addiction and others are like, caffeine, it's a joke. I think I'm somewhere in the middle. Ooh, look at that, $672. Well, 450. I know the bids are seriously up. And after a sharp decline, the price entered a sideways movement. You see the sellers aren't pushing lower and support forms near a fractal level at the end of the zigzag pattern. And I am expecting movement back to the channel midpoint. So I'm entering a call option and we gotta see that rise happening, going all the way up. So I don't necessarily think that caffeine is an addiction, but also I don't think it's something you can just play around with because it is pretty strong element, let's put it that way. And that is a pretty strong profit, $864. You better check out my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, and I cannot wait to see you there and share the most valuable insights and information about trading. So, see you there, and thank you for watching. Your love and support means everything to me. We'll see you back here for the new episode very, very soon, and stay awesome.